Boom! Shakalaka! Hey guys, quick impressions of the HYTE Y60 case in all white. It's basically called the Snow White version. Quick impressions. This is a very popular case right now. This and the NZXTs. Recording. Making sure because I'm dumb. Okay. Bam. Open it really carefully here. Just in case we gotta return it. Okay? But, yeah. This case costed $200 on Amazon and currently sold out, guys. You may find the red and black one, which is, I don't like it, but red and black one seems easier to get. The black one or the white one, I don't see too many cases of the Snow White or any bills with the Snow White either. They see all white. But yeah, this is a quick first impressions. Packaged pretty good, so nice job. I buy power. And HYTE. It did come in double box. It came in a real big box and this box, so that's a plus. Anyways, guys, I'm trying to chase my stream dreams, so I'm gonna build actually a very high-end, well, to me it's high-end computer, so gotta have a nice case. Components are nice inside, but the case is the reason why you love the computer. Alright. Sorry guys, it's been 8 years since I built a computer, because I'm cheap. But yeah. First impressions of the HYTE Y60. Here we go. Alright. Wow, so can't say the glass breaks when you get it in the mail because the foam is pretty good all around. You can see a lot of people like it because it's the panoramic view, 3 sides all open, front, back, and then corner. There's no corner, more of a angle, or not an angle. But if you don't like it, you're going to call this a fish tank case. If you do like it, then it's a nice, modern, futuristic case. And it was either this or the NZXT. But okay, so there's protection on this glass, so once you're done building stuff, you can just peel it off like a new iPhone. So all around protectors. Not sure if you guys can see it. I'll get closer. I just realized how far I am. Wow. Anyways, it's not a review, so let me hurry up. I don't like making long videos. It just takes too long. Plus, I only have like 1 subscriber anyways, so. Alright, guys. Close review. Side. Boom. So all white. I don't see that many builds with all white, but it looks very nice. So I'm gonna be surprised how my build looks like, because this looks like, I think Linus just made one too, with the black inside though. So not that many builds with the Snow White, guys. You should definitely get, if you want the HYTE, you should definitely get the Snow White. Just my opinion. But looks really nice. The icon with power button's right here, not on top. I think common sense tells you if it's on your desk, it should be right here, not up here. So good design choices. One thing I don't like is this gap. I know there's supposed to be a gap, but it's a little too big. If it was a little bit smaller, it'd be better. I could probably fit like 10 pieces of paper in here, these gaps, but hopefully it doesn't attract a lot of dust. Yeah, this is a very high end, so I can see why it's $200. But yeah, quick impressions. Comes with 1 fan in the back, so I didn't even need to buy the fans. I got these infinity fans from Lee. But yeah, guys, comes with 1 fan only, I believe. The wiring, of course. Oh, actually, fans in the bottom already too. Yeah, I see fans in the bottom already. Or is that wires? But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions. I should be building soon. Waiting for my graphics card this Sunday. I need a power supply. That's pretty much it. I'm back to playing Fortnite in 1080p. Do you think we need to go?